Our first day on safari with Safari Soul started at Tanjeri National Park. Watch on as we find so many amazing animals. It was such an incredible day. First, we met our guide, Freddie, who picked us up and drove us to Tanjeri National Park. He explained our day as we drove.
Taking right now is take up to Tarangire, but our accommodation is near Ngorongoro. Later we are going to take
that
this
way.
road. Yeah.
Wow.
So this is the journey.
Once we arrived, we pulled up so he could check us in, and then we were off to discover what we could find.
Tuko sawa.
As soon as we entered, we found some old baobab trees, some mongoose, pretty birds, and lots of zebras. It's a common zebra. We came across a herd of elephants with a couple coming close to check us out. It was such a thrilling moment.
Right here.
So we've got to be so quiet, but they're incredible. These are the African elephant, and we've got a little baby here. We're on day one of our actual safari. We're out in Tarangire National Park, and we're driving around with Freddie. And we've seen so far elephants, giraffes, buffalo, so many animals. It's been incredible already, and it's just past 12 o'clock. It's great. We're having our first safari lunch today. It's delicious looking, amazing. So we've got some tilapia fish, potatoes, a vegetable stew, and some rice. We're sitting here overlooking the beautiful Tanjeri River with Freddie, our guide, and lots of monkeys that we're trying not to let steal our food. We've just come across another African elephant. It's right here in front of the car. It's amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Hey, big fella. And then they grow. Moving on, we found birds, a python, giraffe before heading to our accommodation. We watched the scenery change and the kids playing on the side of the road as we headed towards our accommodation. We're staying at Farm of Dreams and it was stunning. We got in about 6:30 p.m, right in time for dinner, and we're staying in these cute little bomber-shaped rooms. There are loads of them dotted across the property. It's peaceful and quiet. You just wake up to the birds chirping. Breakfast was beautiful. Dinner was incredible, both buffets, and there was just so many choices, and they were fully catered for me being gluten-free, which I so appreciated. The rooms are really luxurious. We're going to show you them in just one moment, but I can't, it's beautiful. You walk in and you just think, oh my goodness, you can't believe you're on safari and you get to stay in such a beautiful accommodation. Safari Souls has really taken care of everything here. We're really, really excited and we're really, really happy. Our stay here was perfect and we were sad to check out. Join us in our next video as our safari takes us to the Serengeti.
Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps to support us. See you next time.